Man, wake y'all ass up. It's Friday. Well, y'all might have a job, but y'all don't be doing nothing to the motherfucker. Y'all ain't got shit to do. Man, y'all know what's going on, man. It's your dog, man. Mr. Ain't it, man. Back up in here with another one of these things for y'all viewing pleasures. Yes, sir. Man, I got so at this point right here, like I got so much content in my camera, man. Like, don't do it, lady. Don't do it. Spybird coming through here like a missile. Yeah, man, I got so much content in my camera, man. Like, I gotta get all this stuff out of my camera because after a while, man, it's gonna get to being too much. So I'm headed to work. It is not even 7 o'clock yet, as usual. And I'm about to dump this camera, man. Like, I'm about to put as much footage to the cell phone as I can so I can go ahead and upload it. I wish I could I wish I just knew how to get down on that computer, man. As far as editing, man, I'd be cold with it, but practice makes perfect, I guess. Nah, practice don't make perfect. You just gotta do this shit. I ain't been doing it, so yeah, but you know what I'm saying, y'all know how I go, man. Y'all know the lingo, man. If you're new to the channel, man, welcome. It's your dog B-Lo, man. You know what I'm saying? We do our thing over here. Sharing is the thing, though, man. Y'all gotta share these videos, man. Y'all gotta get them out there. I'm sharing them with y'all. Y'all sharing with somebody else, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. That being said, man. They're building another gas station. I swear, man, I think these folks finna blow us up. Hey, man. Be cool. It's Friday. I ain't gonna get sick. But yeah, man. I'm headed up here to get in this truck. So, y'all know how it goes. Hit you in a second. Yo. Man, I got busy, so I couldn't really chat with y'all today, man, how I wanted to. But yeah, I done got off. And y'all don't know, but tomorrow is Jordan and Ashton's birthday. How that happened, I have no clue. But it happened. So, what I'm about to do, my baby Jordan, man, she loves crab legs and things of that nature. Things of the sort. So, man, we about to go to Joe's Crab Shack. Plus, my mama wanted to, my mama told me she always wanted to go to Joe's Crab Shack. And it used to be one by my house, but they closed it down years ago. It was before I moved over though. But they closed it down. She was like, man, we were all past it the other day. She was like, it's a car lot now. She was like, man, I remember Joe's Crab Shack used to be right there. And I always wanted to go to Joe's Crab Shack, and I never got a chance to go. So, Mom, I'm taking you to Joe's Crab Shack. So I'm killing 2 birds, 1 stone. Taking them to Joe's Crab Shack. So let me finish preparing myself, and then I'm about to roll out. What is this on my head? About to roll out, man. So, yeah, let me do that. Hit y'all in a minute. Yeah, so Here we go. Jordy, what we at? What we doing, Jordy? You don't know where we at?
We at crab.
You said what? What are you talking about? She can get that anytime. Well, I assume you ain't never been here.
No, I have never been here in my life.
Y'all ain't never been here?
No.
I don't even know this is the place.
Oh. You gotta make a funny face. Oh, funny face. Brittany always got a funny face. I don't look at really funny face. You got ketchup and pizza face. Look at your face. Huh?
Just this.
Oh boy.
Daddy. We play places.
Oh boy. Let's lighten up. You're supposed to light up too. I don't know what happened. Tell them take it back. I paid for a light up cup.
Take a picture.
They over there with their sparkling light up cups. They be from Joe Crab Shack. You a pirate?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you look.
Oh boy.
Oh my god.
What?
So go.
Do what?
I don't know what that was some.
What was some?
I don't know.
She probably drunk for real.
It was probably a frog.
I gotta get y'all right.
Now you're gonna make me catch the flu.
You're gonna make me get the flu.
I gotta move all this stuff. Hold on, y'all.
We're vlogging.
Yeah, so
Let me put all this stuff up.
well, I ain't gonna say it's the end of the night. We're leaving Joe's Crab Shack. No, y'all can't see me, but we're leaving Joe's Crab Shack, man, and we gonna head to the crib.
Bro, it was supposed to show a figure. These folks scammed us. This was a scam.
Yeah.
It was supposed to show a shark. It's just a light.
It's supposed to show a shark, and they didn't.
Yes, it was supposed to show something.
Is it sprinkling?
Nah.
I'm mad.
Oh boy. Oh man, we done made it to the house, man. We are at the house. Everybody is home safe. Mama, home safe. Everybody home safe. That right there just, I ain't take a toll on, but I done ate good, so it's time to lay it down now, Jack. So yeah, I'm finna lay it down. I appreciate y'all for coming through, man, and watching, viewing, taking your time out to show me and mine some love, man. So with that being said, man, y'all wish my Jordy Joy happy birthday, which her birthday is tomorrow, on the 8th. So y'all wish her happy birthday, man. And yeah, man, we out here. Catch y'all in the next one, man.